Hello, today is Tuesday, 7th day of November, 2017. Welcome to 2.5 minute warning. Everything you do within your own risk, own reward. Later on in a few hours, a more in-depth look at some codes. But for now, Bitcoin price is in at around a little under 7,100. It seems as if this doesn't want to go up or down, really. It's just going to stabilize in at around such at the on the 400-minute time frame. We can see that it has been holding and staying above this point since the 3rd of November. The 18 average on this time frame after this red candle down has barely started to go lower. Resistance has been occurring over the last 4 periods. It's looking like it may want to roll over and revert the trend, and maybe it might want to roll over a bit and not, which is why oftentimes I want to wait for a clear break of this key support, roughly around 68.80 in that ballpark area. And I would think either a move to previous resistance between 58 and 62, but maybe more realistically between around the 64, 65 handle, or even 66, because that's a decent size leg lower from this level. And if we look at those numbers again on the daily time frame, the 18 average is between that of 64.56 and 68.82. So moves within the 6,400 area, a match in here. That's definitely a support area. And we move this to the weekly. This is something that is, again, supposed to stop going higher. And it's been doing good at making plays down to the 18 average of lows, currently set in at 45.35, and of course rising. But like back in here, if it didn't do such, there was a fast move to the upside. Now, not all corrections have to be that price related, but usually that's what they're going to be. So, is down moves. And there's going to be a large or some large red candles down. And the further this goes up higher, the bigger they should end up becoming. Sort of like the size of this red candle down from here after a large move. For example, if this pumps up to 10, 13,000, then it's going to be a bit bigger of a retracement than we would have now. And if this pumps up to 500,000, well, it might fall down to 100,000, meaning, yeah, it's going to give a lot of those gains back. A retracement will come. Don't know when. Better shot it will happen now than it would over the 10,000 handle, but that's just a better shot. Thank you for tuning in. Take care.